We got our vaccinations yesterday and have been experiencing all the things that you're supposed to experience. The nausea, the headache, the achiness, the chills, the fever. What else? I'm sore all over. Oh. Anyways, happy to have the vaccine. Didn't expect it to feel like this, but I guess that's how it's gonna go. Hopefully I'll feel better a little later today. Oh, I forgot to mention, I just got a text from Princess Auto. My order is ready. I'd go right now to pick it up, but Grandma's on her way over here for me to install something on her iPad. I can't remember what it is. Some type of app she wants. So she's on her way. I'll have coffee with her when she gets here and install that thing. And then off I go, and I'll go get that stuff from Princess Auto. Alright, kitty. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Going to the Princess store. It's just like Christmas. Acetone. Don't drink that. Here's my flux.
Danger.
So I thought I'd get another cord for charging my phone. And I just got the cheapest one.
You can clap!
Apparently you can clap and turn it on, it sparkles and lights up.
And then you got a paper.
And that's my receipt. Yep.
That's a weird looking receipt.
LED flashes to any noise. Voice or music playing from the smartphone.
Can I do it? It will do for my voice.
I probably would. Okay, let's go home.
I got a desk.
We just got Jasmine a desk from our favorite shopping place.
The side of the road.
Side of the road. This is London has a big university in it and a big college too. So we have all these students that come and go every season. So you know what? We could get you a whole new dressed bedroom set back there that match. It's all black. We're not gonna. That's too much work for today. But anyways, the students leave and they leave everything. It's quite amazing.
It's quite a mess.
It is a mess. The city picks up garbage in this area, which isn't too far from Heidi's. They pick up garbage every day when this time of year because students messy.
I have a desk.
It's a nice looking desk, Chad.
I know.
I was hoping you picked that one out. I like this one. I think this will be fun.
I have a desk.
So there it is. There's Jasmine's new desk. Has one drawer, one shelf. Oh, two shelves. This thing pulls out too. Are you happy, Jazz?
Yes.
Very?
Very happy.
I think she likes her new desk. Hello there. I'm out in the garage. Got my little heater going. I'm loving that thing. If I was on Georgian Bay right now, which I'd really like to be there, I would have that going. Be at anchor. I don't know if it's on high or not, but you know, wouldn't have to work very hard to heat the boat. The boat's probably a third of the volume in here. So, anyways, this is my dust collector for my little sander. It went swimming yesterday in the bilge because I didn't clean out the bilge of the water before I started working on things. And this is my new flux, rosin paste flux. So what look at it, looks just like beeswax. So we'll do some soldering a little later on. What else we got here? Acetone. It's almost out of acetone. It's my 600 milliliter cup. I got this, it was only $14. The other cups I find that are smaller are 30 bucks ish, and at 4C Surplus it was buy the whole gun and cup just to get a 250 milliliter cup. That's kind of wasteful. So here's this. The lid screws on this, which is a big plus. So that means I can now turn the gun whichever way I want. There's a little air vent in it, so I could pop a hose on there if I needed to. It's my power pods. This I got to take apart and well, yeah. So it's got four pods, or four plugs for charging, and it comes with a fake 3M double-sided tape, which is handy. The idea was to take this apart and take the guts out of it and put it into my own thing. We'll take it apart and see if I can do that. I don't know if I can or not. Oh, oh, looky there. Isn't that fancy? I don't think we will be able to use this, but I don't think it's such a bad idea to have either. So this thing cost me, the reason I got it, it was like less than $4. So I thought, hey, I can take that chance. If it doesn't work for what I want, it'll still work as a charger, and that it will. Okay, well, there it is in all its naked glory. It's not nothing too fancy. Well, it is not going to do what I want it to do, but that's fine. It's still gonna do what it's supposed to do. Let's just be a charger. So I'll put it back together, and it's a charger. I'll have to keep looking online for the chargers. Well, the female plug receptacle I'm looking for. It's I don't know why it wasn't on the Princess Auto website, because I've seen it in the store and I bought them in the store in the past. So let's I'll show you what I mean. So ideally, this is kind of what I'm after, is something that screws together. You drill the hole this size, slide it through so that it faces out here, so you'd only see this ring out here, and screw it together like that, and it holds itself together. Let's go over here, and we're going to use our battery bank to check that the new charger thing. So here I have power coming from my battery bank. Plug this in. Look at that. Pretty little lights coming on. Let's test our voltmeter here. Let's see where we are for pixies. Okay, so I'm not getting things to stick there. We're going to use our little impromptu brush. Some of this flux. Get these spots fixed. Okay, I finally got it on. That took way too long. We can go install this now in the boat, but I'm going to leave it for now. We will do that one day this week. After that vaccination shot, I've been dragging my butt today. Holy! So I'm not gonna fight it anymore. I'm gonna go lay down. It's only about 3 in the afternoon, but it's time for a nap for me. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Please click clicky things. Get out and get a vaccination if you can. Even though it kind of sucks if you have a reaction. Hey, it's better than COVID, so I hear. Wear a mask. Be nice to people. See you tomorrow.